Okay, now you know what is marketing and why marketing, what is traditional marketing, digital marketing, and difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Now let's discuss about inbound and outbound marketing. What exactly is this inbound and outbound marketing? Outbound marketing is like when you go to the people, that is called outbound marketing. When people are coming to you, that is called inbound marketing. As simple as this. Let's discuss. So, when you are doing telecalling, you are going to the people, you are reaching the people, then it is outbound marketing. SMS, bulk SMS, and pushy ads, push notifications, these are all the examples of outbound marketing. Inbound marketing, like when you create a video, when people are searching for that video, they like that video and they will come to your channel and like and subscribe. People are coming to you, searching in the Google, searching in the internet, people are searching for your content and coming to you, and they are liking your content, they are subscribing to your channel. This is search discovery or organic engagement. This is called inbound marketing. One simple example, you know how to create, how to make a tasty samosa. So what you did is you made a very good useful tutorial, video tutorial, and you post it in YouTube or content in your website. When people are searching for that content, they liked your videos and they subscribe to you. You promote your cooking classes. This is inbound marketing. So, how people are searching for your videos, why Google is showing your videos, what is that strategy, that and all we will discuss now. How exactly this search engine works. Search engine is nothing but the Google. Whenever people want to search for something, they will go and search it in the Google. That is why Google is called search engine. But how Google is getting all this information? Let's discuss. I will give an example. Let's think about your school or college library. Okay, you have a library in a college, right? So what will happen is, um, you will go. One person will go to the library, and there is one librarian. So the person will go to the librarian, and he will ask for mathematics book, and the same time another person will go to the library and that person will ask for some history magazines, and another person will go to the library and that person will ask for some science fiction books, some books. Then librarian, what he will do is he will bring all the books and will keep in front of those people. He know where exactly the science magazine is there, where exactly the history book, in which rack that history book is there, everything he knows. In same way, think Google as a librarian. One person will come and ask for Konark temple, and another person will ask for how to go to Kashmir from Delhi, and another person will ask for something else. So Google knows everything. Whatever the people ask for Google, Google will give all the answers in a fraction of second. But how Google is knowing all these things? This is also one screenshot I took. Actually, you are in Bhubaneswar and you came to Hyderabad. You know that there is a Golconda fort in Hyderabad and you want to visit that fort. So what you will do is you will open Google and you will type Golconda fort or Golconda fort history or timings or something. Immediately Google will put all the useful links in front of you. But how Google is knowing all these things? Fraction of second Google is giving all this information. So let's see exactly how it works. Actually, it works in 3 steps. One is web crawling, another one is indexing, and third one is the algorithm. So what happened is, whenever something is published in internet, Google has many bots. One is web crawling. For web crawling, Google has bots called spiders. Okay, spiders will crawl. So we can they are using that word crawling. So what Google will do is, Google has many spiders. Spider is means it's not the real spiders. They are bots, and the name of that bots is spider. Google will send these spiders to the internet, and these spiders will crawl the entire internet. For example, you published some article in your website. So Google will send the spider to your website, and the spider will crawl your entire website in a fraction of a second. It will take all the information. I will tell you one example from one movie, very old movie, that is Rajnikant movie, South Indian actor Rajnikant, and the movie name is Robo. In that, the Robo Rajnikant is there. The heroine is worried and she is unable to read the syllabus, and next day is the exam. So the Robo will go to her and he will open the book, and one fraction of second just he will see like this, and he will grab all the information from that book. The same way, the spider for one time it will crawl your website and it will grab all the information. Same way, all the spiders will search entire internet and entire information they will grab, and next the spider will go to the data center and it will store all the information in this data center, and then this data center will be submitted to the Google. Thus is how Google will have all the information. It is in a nutshell. Let's see the entire work, how search engine works in a nutshell. So this is the search engine, this is the Google. Okay, so what Google will do is, Google will send the spider to your website. You have published some blog or some article or some video or something. This spider will come, it will crawl your entire website, and whatever the information it has, your website means not only your website, the entire internet. So it will grab all the information and come to the data center, and it will store all the information in this data center, and this data center will be submitted to the Google. That is how Google has all the information. One more simple example. For in real time how it works, let's see. For example, there is one lady called Jyotirmayi, and she goes to Orissa and she wants to see Konark temple in Orissa. She doesn't know anything. So what she will do is, she will open the laptop, she will open the Google, and she will search for Konark temple in Orissa. So what Google will do is, Jyotirmay has typed Konark temple in Orissa. So what Google will do is, Google will search in one website. There it was mentioned as Sri Jagannatha temple Puri. Temple word is matching, but she is searching for Konark temple. Here the word is Sri Jagannatha temple Puri. So it is not the word. Then it will go to the another website, and there the words mentioned in that website are like Mukteshwara temple Bhubaneswar. So this is also not matching. Only temple word is matching. It will go to some other website, and there Google saw Konark temple in Orissa. So the total words are matching. So like this, wherever these words are mentioned in wherever the websites, Google pull all those links and it will keep in front of that person. This is how Google works. Hope you understand.